We'll guide you through how to download Subway Surfers on PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Want to play Subway Surfers on your PC with a bigger screen and keyboard controls? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download, install, and play Subway Surfers on your PC. So let's get started. To get started, open your web browser and search for the official GameLoop website. Once you're on the website, click the download button and download the GameLoop installer to your PC. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install GameLoop. Once GameLoop is installed, open it on your PC. Now, click on the search bar and search for Subway Surfers. From the search results, find Subway Surfers and click the install button. GameLoop will now download and install the game on your PC. You can check the progress inside the emulator. Once the installation is complete, click play to launch Subway Surfers. The game will now open on your PC and you can start playing using your keyboard and mouse. If you want to change the controls, you can open the key mapping settings in GameLoop and adjust the controls to your preference. That's all there is to it. Now you can download, install, and play Subway Surfers on your PC.